Good morning everyone. Today we start our 9th chapter of science, that is parts of our body, our teeth. So let's start the chapter. So dear students, first of all, why are teeth important for us? Why are teeth important to us? हमारे लिए teeth important क्यों है? Teeth bite and chew food so that it is small enough to be swallowed. A toothless person, say a 2-month-old baby, cannot eat an apple or a chapati. Teeth help us to form words so that you can speak properly. So students, if you don't have the teeth, then we would not be able to whistle. So, how many teeth does the baby have? Now, we start next topic, sets of teeth. And here, first question arises, how many teeth does a baby have? Generally, newborn babies do not have any teeth. They get teeth at the age of 6 to 7 months. By the age of 3 years, children have 20 teeth. They are called milk teeth or temporary teeth or baby teeth. Why are these called temporary teeth? They are called temporary teeth because they fall off at the age of 6 to 7 years. From about 6 years of age, under 12 years of age, you start to lose them. But that does not mean you don't have to look after them. So the children have 20 teeth and a new set of teeth begin to grow through our gums from about 6 years of age. These new set of teeth pushes out the milk teeth as they grow into our mouth and would continue growing into our mouth till the age of 18 to 25 years. So, how many teeth does an adult have? 32 teeth. These are called as permanent teeth because you can have them throughout the life if you look after them properly, like brushing twice a day. Students, when you look at your teeth in the mirror, you will notice that the teeth in your mouth of different shapes and sizes. We have 4 different types of teeth. Each type of teeth has a different purpose: cut, tear, grind and chew. Let us see the front 4 teeth in. The front 4 teeth in both the upper and lower jaws, they all are same in shape and have a sharp edge. They work like scissors to bite or cut food into small pieces. Hence, they are called incisors. They are called incisors. They are also called biting teeth and help in cutting and biting the food. Look at the sharp pointed teeth. Look at the sharp pointed teeth. Look at it on both sides of incisors on each jaw. These are used to tear the food like a fork. So they are called canines. Canines. They are 4 in number, 2 in each jaw. They are also called tearing teeth. Next to each canine, there are 2 broad and flat teeth. They act as a nutcracker and are used to grind and break the food into the fine pieces. They are called premolars. There are 4 premolars in each jaw. Look at the last 3 teeth on both sides of the jaw. On both sides of each jaw, the last 3 teeth are broader than the premolars. These are called molars. Their function is similar to the premolars, but they are used to grind the food further into a fine paste. We have in total 32 teeth, 16 in each jaw. So students, herbivores such as cows, buffaloes and goats have better development molar because the part of plants require more chewing for digestion. Thus we have 8 incisors for canines and plus 8 premolars, 12 molars equals to total 32 teeth. Now taking care of our teeth. Students, when we eat something, little bits of food get stuck in the places between the teeth. These bits remain in the mouth even long after a meal is over. Tiny living called germs start feeding on this food and start producing acid. The yellow layer is called plaque. Plaque will cause germ to grow. If we do not keep our teeth clean, these germs can damage our teeth and form holes called cavities. This acid can cause holes in the teeth called cavities, which cause pain and make it difficult for us to eat our favorite dishes. So how to prevent cavities? It is simple. Brushing your teeth properly can help us keep teeth clean and healthy. We must brush our teeth twice a day, once in the morning after getting up and once at night before going to bed. For proper cleaning, you must brush your teeth for at least 2 minutes. Start by cleaning the outer surface of all the teeth by up and down and circular movements of brush. Then open your mouth wide and start by cleaning the inner surface of teeth by the inner surface of teeth of the lower and upper jaw with back and forth strokes. Then clean the biting surface of the teeth with back and forth strokes of the brush, and then rinse your mouth well. Eat food items such as milk and milk products to make your teeth strong. We should avoid eating food rich in sugar such as sweets, candies, chocolates, juices and cold drinks. We should visit the dentist regularly to check for cavities. If we do not take proper care of our teeth, we may lose our teeth early. So, it is very necessary, very important to take care of our teeth. So, dear students, this is all about our chapter, our teeth. I hope you got it very well. Thank you for watching this video.